Westermans here again with some more stock arrived. This time we've got some Miller Big Blue diesel welders 500X and also Miller Big Blue 500X Eco Pro. The X Eco Pro is a slightly smaller machine, still 500 amps but nice size for the back of the van. These will also take the wire feed if needed. These have got the Mitsubishi engine in them. Machines will be sold service to order or sold as is or as seen. The Miller Big Blue 500X, obviously bigger machine, ideal for site work, construction, basically anything that comes along, and obviously gouging. On these we have a Deutsch engine. These are obviously in the cages. Auxiliaries on these is 240 and 110. Like I say, these will be serviced to order or sold as seen. More details available on westermans.com. Prices can be requested. Also other diesel welders in stock from Genset and Lincoln. Thank you for looking.